The sneeze reflex starts when nasal mucosa irritants trigger sensory nerves that set off a rapid muscular cascade in the face and chest. The skull, facial muscles, and diaphragm coordinate a swift closure and expulsion of air through the nose. The diaphragm contracts while the rib cage expands, building pressure that blasts air outward in a single powerful event. After the rush, the airways reset and the brain notes the irritant, primed for another breath if needed. This simple sequence shows how everyday anatomy safeguards the airway with precision and speed.